Mwakwa baby mabusiafo. Ibetwetwe nkomo afa oman ho. Ena no pay yenuanu mo a omode omoda age bebo adwumadie yi. Honorable Alexander Fenyo Markin MP Futu constituency. Ibetwa de diniti ana afa na Alex na ayetieti amaye. Na no na nsan hwehwemu bi ko so ese oye MP a obone homoden pa no. Honorable Akwaba
Mejodo
apombo ko de
adom araka meche wa hwefa no pe
efutufo won ho te den
adom azika senato yenu consider ahomeche Zebajoda I mean issue Zebajoda no pa yanta sem papa
oh
yan municipal chief executive
okay.
Honorable ni Ephraim nyame Ephraim
oh
ama
no the bentio
enjoy azaro ho kase Azana papa na Sebio. We're very close.
Oh, okay.
In spite of political differences and na meme bushafu na so
okay.
Shezen na party mba.
Okay. I see. Ni amasa na mwale honorable. Madam for pa efeno awonye. MP la dade koto ana ba kwa ba apombo ko de
na me adom apombo ko
oh
wa onye ho ye enne na saka me ko na lecture bi eviligon
to
do ko ni bi ho no
otonam
oh say nam de buso awo ho de untu ntolo ka so ntonam
okay
enam na yakona akono nti e dan obeto
ne nam ne fine pa
o de nam ne fa that to me invite you.
But
no open invitation don't do akase when am TV no na
emphatic timra on your ticket
honorable say obey we see bia on 7
but Alex, no birth certificates, no passports in the last 3 months. Me nim de I want to believe say bia entimi ma say kra but at least nim say your problem kakra printing of birth certificates, passports and driving licenses. In fact enra me radio station bia or say a man for complaining say your man temporary until your one extended. The reason is that into me imprint. But if you said the man with him say the basic nti you remember we tie into deal for 2 new power badges signed. You have no dear fa you dum so no. In fact be me say me take say badge na me ka say bia o ya ko kan ye dey ba no but see afeni sign and that the good news if I may say is that by April na yensaka within your current situation here a woman. Now I'm not too sure say between now and then no you will be fufu bi ayebeye and I say ebeye sa 24 less than 12 year confirm say April no be ba na I'm saying 24 less than 12 because on of mabu akonta bi wa ha say you do mo kan ya tie my best so the say so na adwo a obeda be o de be 3 hours spend the baby the rest for the better. And as I saw the daytime, so they are by 6, 7 free. So at the end of the day, no, that is how it is. And you know, meaning, but maybe it's good news after all. If you can't manage your business, don't blame Dumso. A deputy speaker, Baton Udro, and I saw cancer. In fact, this papers be a code to no more say or can or City FM. Say binimu blame so mo business na enko so no ndum so na nye no wo manage wade ya obetumi atoto ne maye nti ane asema ababedu ho no in the midst of doom so ye betumi aye arrangement bi say okay there is a problem nti still I betumi atoto ya nima ma ma akoyie ana say ye be gya na sa say enko sa na maybe there's some sense in it nti so na or say don't blame doom so I say the correct doom so yetimi tro if you can't manage your business but no draw. Enti Alex nkomo aye twetwe nda no nti yendi bi na de yentimi ani so de agya no ho.
Well. Mama start to eje but no draw na semi. In fact I am as in papa the my first deputy speaker. The name Mukasa Yazebaka or Efrido. Nche me enyimi de speaker na ne deputies one shada one fa one ho nhye amayosem na numu kasa but me feel that it be so ankoye ya nyina yetume kama yetin mo ye
ba se dum so de nyama nyesem
oh kasa me se mabaka nan ehwa ono ochre wontas ya wo but in champion there's some strong positions no wo gina bibia the nche ma wo kase no oye yi kakra meta ze na ahyese no man shada anjenze me fi the newspapers as usual one headlines and I watch that na mekan story no na won dey say honorable batino draw dem no kan ya ozika wan kan ye in the sense that obiara nyim wo Ghana for a bra wo bre obi owo ne barbering shop obi owo ne saloon obi opamaze hwe mifie n'enyim wa beleng pe hera abrante bi a oye tailor ho nansem wa akoto generator auto diesel zigu na se the minim pe n'edwuma okofoma as there you shouldn't blame it on doom so you see and these are ben ankasa in general no we put up attitude bia as if they are still in a state of self-denial. As in our button, they still want to engage in blame game. And if you look at them consistently, minya a paying amasamole onka say, but when it gets to his turn, you monitor how
preempt.
If you are banya as a ja, you find a ja, a wofie. Na nzema nkoye ya mafama ba wonchen de dada the mazi nkode oya wo mamia enye mo mamia enye mo ankra enye wo nana eja papa nkasa dem even where infumdu bi fi baby no enhu kwan ya azeba fado ebekasa and that has been the trend and these are being still believes that embe boso na ya to aba yenyim kasa yebaka into no them when you hear them talk they are so confident yenyim kasa ye odum say yenyim propaganda yezbefo but you see beyond the partisan propaganda and populist strategy na them tactics na election day antics real governance amembu bu omen na fajizi and this aben one more man na one fanjizi na Ghana for that be obi imbo president Muhammad is no kade papa na bredo them problem e be oye man why them go football Nkrumah is in there why them go football o man pay Kufuor is in there mesin zama tutun zama ho azibi ho eba no onyi ho
me na wonti anamol is resa but
get distracted nkofo bo kufonism in the kufonyi ho enwa ba betina ehu metro bus oroko no what's Kufuor bus they didn't know what's Kufuor bus Kufuor be no na onyim the transportation problem wa Ghana from nowhere he conceived the idea or the buses be assassin mpon na them proper buses into right hand drive is in or the baby or ye station la na ze nkaka nkra na yedu baby ayedu nkofo se wayera wontum hospital e cash and carry okun nkofo what no was it health insurance na ze abaten was your friend then free maternal care school feeding mbua. So what I'm trying to say,
back to say.
Remember,
is he not rather prompting businesses to be innovative?
No.
In the midst of
not that
the problem.
No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, church remember. If you want to prompt businesses, if you want to say crisis aba, inti monye monzama wo kwen bidra. That you put it in a different context. You are saying, me can story. About mama papa, men kapede because of politics inti as someone came but into me talk canning. Okay, the quotes na mo internet no can from City FM direct. More can sabio one can ye omo and it is consistent with what NDC are being painful workaka And that is where my example there's a ibabim no was the two misha was the two misha there as it being koye 42 ye you don't do blame game iya the man that you are not ready for leadership. This is their 7th year. One face sonning, one in fee is sonning as a party. It's not about John Mahama alone, Mr. President. It's about Mr. President John Mahama, the late President Mills, and the NDC, because he's writing on the manifesto of the party. Party needs to what Babema or then. Energy is a key area in running this country's economy. In the says here, no, Sanzama Nkoye, she, Nkrofa, why ye Juma, minimum bia, Lapam, Casino, why ye Juma for 13 years. The doom so nazi was businesses alcohol. Muwanyankubia, or ye Juma hotel be, or Labon ho baby. Also, one madam, 3 months won't you occur because where I was there, J, a friend and I say on account, BB on account, because my minister auto diesel, now what's it run into overhead and I had a man, one coffee, one will be in coffee, one casa workers and I agreed, okay, they would accept the on account, no, at least, Obian with there, Sabio Wabe Juma. My brother, in some more record do a Ghana for one abota, in or draw one more man, in that their confidence in the democracy there. Ye wo mbere a oyɛ de ye twɛn ne wo de sesa ben ɔno na ama ye nyinara ye nya dem asomdwe a ye wo mo Ghana. But that attitude of Ghanaians must not in any way be taken for granted by those of our friends in government, because e kasa aye de bro bi no krum e kasa dama e bro bi no krum de obi ntum manage the business here ya momfa into dum sodo no kwara. Or women there, Dumson is contributing to over 90% of the collapse of businesses for the past 3 years. And you see, TK, and yet the Dumson, just 1 month to be, and now 2 months to be. It's been considered this is the 3rd year. NDC inherited Ghana economy. Dumso be any.
Because they inherited a Dumso-less Ghana.
Oh, remember, do I mean to me? Dumso-less. I think Dumso-less. Mrs. Tabio, a jazzy, and beyond Tassinti. And these are buying Kufo the 2 Misha Wanson. In fear, Bassa, no Dumso be in you. Dumso be in your Yenya lights. Bibia Koto. Into no, they shouldn't come with them. Excuses, a power minister. I say a worker sign a contract badges bill. But my mom has some normally don't blame Dumso. But who take amount for so must say how Ninti almost say how many say apart from so I don't know fuel the power no it means say be cry yesterday ototo na name ototo na name man for so ma and any part so cry bi so almost doom so affect so ma say afek cry omo purchasing power come from enti no omo ma enti no in the midst of this no statement be say eboa
TK and the camechia that got upon phone can you say movement for Namwali, say Namwali, yes Namwali. It's on course. Namwali. Yes Namwali. Yes Namwali. It's on course.
Now campaign was started, you know.
Na many markings waka. But one say in the way no in some no okay cano well bibrina in the right direction. But the politics about be shame that na ama anyama na I din amame. And then I say many million MP before TV social. Say that you buy. Yen can't say. But what did you maybe buy shishon? And President Kufo, I idea a coming kuma your body dimpa. No, what Rollins are. Rollins. What Rollins are. That means
margin
you are doing partisan politics to the core. Oh, now me time na me be kasa no. Now I have to spend some of the time to disbelieve.
Osini rene fee. Enti feeling mano. What feeling?
What bit say asema oka say Kufo transfer di Kufo bus by yes. Dey nyina hu tam odi right hand drive by. But by na ebi wo ho. Oba no. Na ye wo osa.
But na egu.
Engu ye. Well, the company was there. The company was there. So all what you have to do is that you have to enhance the company. Now your STC all what you have to do is you have to enhance it. But all what did you do? All that time STC for see obi go almost say na do cars you say they only na do
but say you around that time.
I'm telling you all
the STC and you
say good cry a Ghana company you should have enhanced it.
Okay.
Because open the no cut company for have insurance away. Na ye piloting. Ye bi wo we say itimen sakromo. Ye bi wo bronga hafo.
Bronga ye say private.
Bakapa
be private.
We added it to
private.
Ye can ye piloting ho. Ye for piloting.
Okay.
The following year whoever wins the election will implement health insurance. Whoever. And that's an autopilot. I don't play the back see your mo. And what Jesus say as if he Oba na Oba be full health insurance no. So on your data be. The data no you always collected it. You always collected all those data. What and this the manifesto we can say we will do health insurance in that 2000 election year no. And then we manifesto mu. People should not say things like wait now I say discussion and now near the aba ye kan say ye kan no wasempe na some the propaganda ba be show and this for get propaganda omo yi propaganda fi omo we say mu and this crap jai propaganda
okay
and mo me fa no kure
enti what na wi ayemra we no so na
na me nua Batin Odro e me dem respect no pa na me dem atra aka say I don't think he said that what he said though has been twisted maybe
because when you're comfortable with that
I'm not comfortable say election time beba so they are doing propaganda
newspapers and
we know all these things. Let me tell you something. They be make say so who say okra e dua so a ono kasa na fo ye na so who krama wo dua so a obi na de ko to hono
okraman
who krama wo dua so a obi na de ko si hono but so who okra ono kasa na fo ye MPP be ba 2000 no nipa ankofo boa na de ko si twa dua no so no e dey say who kwa obefa so dia fo akogre dua no so o problem na ma no so no o ma no so ko si hono no o bo so mo fi this time no see o ma so a you say de nsa be bo unsa no o ma no so o no kasa fun ko tra dua no so enu bi na ohun sisi no I don't believe say
onyini say o kan sa asem
I don't think so
senka o kan ya nka beka say
I think on this station
yes o kan ya nka beka say you unfortunate
let me tell you station I see na me no obi say you na make say don't see say you do kan enti no o see o do so until me transmit me nya adwuma at this network one of this network you are supposed to continue to manage even though in the midst of these difficulties no and so course now there you manage your business because you have to survive maybe that advice as I have given some time before no and I want to say if you can't manage your business don't blame do so he would never say that. I'm telling you he would never say that and confidently I'm telling you that he has never said that. Oh in the midst of this do so we say ye you say kan asem ye high nyina high but what dey say em fa onsa nwo no say o me nya hwe na me transi me twa ma de electricity ma madwuma asenti me ntimi nya hwe no find other means innovative ways to manage your business. That's what you're saying. One am no eti bi nua mo me enko enim ne discuss what have been put on paper. Politics, no. Because when you do propaganda, you are deceiving your own people. Yeah, I say who say propaganda, and yeah, the papa.
Enti uti wa adwemu de officer wa cancer.
I don't think you will say that.
Na me share stories no mo say be me hunu quotation bi at.
He has been misquoted.
Or can exactly so. I've read me nyanhu ye de.
He has been misquoted.
These are papers of my report, to Chronicle report, Crusading Guide report. I think say it's on websites.
So only coffee shop mafia. Why coffee shop mafia?
Coffee shop mafia.
Before 2000, 2000 elections, no. People were meeting at coffee shop. Editors were meeting at coffee shop. Networking to bring stories. That's exactly what I started. Your 2016 election strategy na wo network and then let us all bring the story. We don't network and bring all these stories.
Power badge no ho asema ba fine no so super ko na answer na
power badge no
yes afi na yakọ sign deal no and then beba
yenya no say
na mo le bacho de yen ti ase de say we eno ya emergency intervention interventions no bi no coming in April no so na name be asai now we are in February
say Adeba Akone say, this is how we find ourselves. Say, oh, you do to amenem. Now we say, oh, mu amenem. We say, oh, mu amenem unti. Me nyashe, mami improve fi amenem. At least this is how we find ourselves. So let's try to put things in order to come out of the hole. One of them, your problems is here. Your very big problem. We are in crisis
because you na ehurisi amenem.
Oh, senka ye nuanom yanom and yeye sese a ye pese di senka yanom ya na what me say 1997 98 in ye research who say nsuo no ye be depend on hydro that na be high kakra ye research ya be to on say every year bia na say produce 200 megawatts or every year be say produce 200 megawatts Rollins charge ye ne de kufo bae o ye ne de wa fa baako one for 1 megawatt anka ho nya e ba say sa ete no
kama be kan say one kasa unua MP so party be kan say o 8 na kan
because ete no de kan ho ye wenum minus na e wo mining companies no no mo ko ye 80 e di ba ye eje ku for photo obi ba no o hwe no so ni abanji na fire man
nti no bo private initiative no mo hand over power ma mo a 1 megawatt ba nkura nka ho enso for be say 2 years there they was stable stable electric
yes and
then the ban say o no wa anye bi
kama na o hand over no who say kufuo enya do so problem e ma minister kapo ko kasi 31st September okay
no dey send na
so okay
me kai say
e dey the buy ansana o ka 31st September ai ni 31st September calendar they were so desperate because na do so na ye
e no mo so ano
o ma so ano nsio toy e ma ko so mo no ye
ma so ano kra
dey be o ma me so fa ba ko kapa nka ho nsio toy e ma ko so mo no ye ma bo ye ma e na edi generation no e den e buy say no say try say ye problem no and I say aban problem no say machine bi ase very for operating and management we say unit no maintenance unit na challenges for hono interface o makope obi obetimi aboa won company bi a won aso sama company bi a on be side we say e na badges no generating plant no bi mienu ase western region mo e na via na nkasa so generating plant bi so ase these are some of the challenges
and it takes a long time and yet me yes idea no
me say only say
you can say
there was a certain statement by Professor Thomas made in government and say opposition no or cancer no omudi ye politics pa me person me repeat omudi ye politics but o ka say badge no enye ade bi a che say o fire na it's something that is custom made but there are emergency ones until I call for this emergency one no ye the beba but we are doing everything. President Mama is doing everything to make sure say you best solve problem because say Nigeria am mind supply say see hwe yeah to boy aye into mind supply mind supply but pipe if say lay pipe to tema near supply so glue near that they are use gas we are doing everything issue do so akoso no so o de ko jana hwe ari
ona ba say be we hu yo anyi da kro
they dey bit by
so
that's what I'm saying sir we have added they can crap for can back can be west
sedanka yetimi preempt and I predict say rena start no e dey be duru ha say ya could we have done what we are doing no sabe na you start say your boy kokona na question I maybe say
obi ava 200 nka all the time yeah the 200 at least yeah they can abi see na but they make sure say machine say a GSC no machine ene be man ye be hu yen o TV no so machine ase a ada say obeto foforo ana say ye be
part bi ba be shem
na be ye ka say ya say machine say a omo ahwe phone to mu ye
you home na memra wenu so honorable sa badge no ho asem ne ye kana question ba ko me bisa me bisa nu an say me am fan Ghana fo am fan hye yentim say if you sabre ya akopem bra e bia ye be fix nima ye na ye nim hwen no sa condition ye ni e be kom obi a kom
before so be kan pese me bi kan say no
o dem memra so
me pese me kase up to down no say bibu on my bet me aya ya o fan kan
say ono
because this is what we are saying
so does it mean say mapema na
me just say this is how we find ourselves.
Okay.
And say if there is anything that we can do apart from what we are doing now
on train no okay honorable
take it
nanka fu bifufu bi e wetimi aye
take it how kasa na na me hwe ne kwaze ade
o ko ho sa pede
me hwe ne kwaze
sese
o me nintefi
but so kasa
me say that no yes so kasa na retwa kohwi ye wa there oh yeah one obromenti asedo the member of parliament
TK
let him no
it shouldn't go
no in the first place misleading. Comfortable. But in some people can you mean oh no yet you why are they so intolerant? No, I didn't want you to say it and then I say we'll draw it. Oh man, I will not take the matter personal. I will take American. The member of parliament, very experienced in politics. Or Hanope also NDC Fumpo me quote no some me a mistake and now I correct wahadi NDC Fumpo wager propaganda here na onunara not han na so wager propaganda na etia ese kufo ehun the way I nsa o se kufo kitikiti mpo wan fan kan eja amasa enye enhye kuko bi na ka so Ghana fo wo hwew the was there iba akohwisam numu akohwi na no pere ka wahi I mean let's be sincere
but answer na be describe this akohwi no
no
so bet me aboa Ghana for by telling them say
tike meba
say
tike meba me makai mo enya abotar yo papi ehun ncho onzi no kwa kakra magana for the sebio aja to me
I said description is very hard fact na mbese
tike enya abotar ni nyambiroko make esi
okay
mama Ghana fu hu de eja masa mole ano payin samol kawahan obor nyimpa ne ntase do de no ko bi enyim na me fense mining companies are kufo mobilizing one the 1 million power was it 80 megawatts asogli togbe afede na onye ne partners onye o man payin kufo ina o create them opportunity mo onye ne partners for China we be start them production of energy wa now them West Africa gas pipeline asemi them Nigeria kufo won't try na money won't go find a gas which will be cheaper to power the metal credit or friend and plant no obabua ema yenya sustainable power nye kufo no ye bia again kufo bui now let me talk about medium to long term as a result of kufo ofi the look in the long term no oye there ye tumina yenya additional hydro zika kosombo ho in okro China okay the arrangement them robe ya ye benya bui dam. Now let me tell you one thing, and if he likes politically he should disagree with me and later he will embarrass himself
if you give me that chance.
Sure we are share mama kaze minjo and this is why I will feed the propaganda is the end of everything. Make a bibiacho bui they advise them and vice president the brother he's there I'm an engineer but I challenge them what the we were no there were regulations that look more operate machine no to its full capacity.
They say what from
what the giddy thank you that's it giddy na adi says it cannot virtually they cannot get anything from bui. I'm telling you that it's as a result of one incompetence, mismanagement. On the propaganda on Ghana. They were told that yes, machine moving forward in soon water levels in look produce up to this limit. So in ya 150 megawatts managing and kakanka akosombo. They knew the problem with Akosombo. Water levels in it, men have to full capacity. They did not listen to the technocrat. But because the technocrat cannot come out and argue their political leaders in it, so you get some of this information informally. Now, Lembra VRA, Kufo Shema was the power, emergency power plant was a bear. Now, how Kufo solved Dumso. Yes, now those times, Akosombo. Into some ninty, Dumso no ho. But Kufo quickly moved in. All the emergency power plant or import is a bay. Now, the NDC's argument is that it is expensive to purchase diesel to power these plants. Is that not the argument? What's there? Power plant now, Kufua's a bear no. So what this car got diesel now was a gumna say we generate power now. Or men bobakau.
No,
maybe no. This is their excuse. Source. Please, can I finish? Meanwhile, at the time that a barrel of oil was costing $145, Kufuor was able to buy diesel to power. Whilst he was putting in place other measures to ensure sustainable supply of energy. Now, as we speak, a barrel of diesel on the world market has gone down as low as almost about $32. So you find the $40. Why are they not buying diesel to power the plant? Every year they have plants that they are generators that they are not using them.
This argument this question why are
they not using
what
them?
The response be from?
They won't even mind you. The truth is that they will not respond as we speak. And send be there Kufuor a megawatt mpo 1 megawatt mpo.
That is government on its own now. Some because the big same say your own person
and this for black stars mpo work come on drone power. Don't they take? Please, they should just stop that thing. Now, my point is that for planting was a bear no. Emergency planting now was a bear no. And are they using them? One card is expensive. Now, mommy end on a power minister. Also, emergency badges
by April.
Please, you see, we are not children. Governance, it's not just about it's a blue. You approve the 2015 budget or parliament. Onyimbe you approve budget. The emergency power a budget no scan work akafa no whatever. It's not for free. If you knew there, you would need an emergency. Why didn't you put it in your budget? Appropriation bill, into the answer one copy of the act. Then has come out. How are you going to fund it?
But I was saying they've signed the deal with Car Power of Turkey for the delivery of the emergency power badges. And also Deputy Minister for Power, John Jinapo, announced this yesterday in Accra at the West African Clean Energy and Environment Conference said the emergency badges were being sought as a short-term measure while a number of projects, blah, blah, blah. But I was saying by April,
Deputy Minister Nasim bin may take it serious.
Oh, the man.
Your crop, Metro TV, Amandi Fu, and also know by March. Amandi Fu will produce power. That means some now power. Well, they are not, they don't know.
Doubts it. Oh, he even doubts it because man captured on budget in baby.
I know, so, but if you ask me, we don't reward effort, we reward results. oh we are there ya more about so why me ye reward effort and results for the batches by we say one that propaganda now before you say no talk that for the boy say no talk me see one power back one mega
ya so je no kra
one top petrol be angum
ya so kra
me see one so
really
I'm telling you he added
nothing.
The machine I see one top petrol. Me see one top petrol. Now, Adekye, do you know the reason why make us oman fa bakukra mano? Etra mba nka punko fu de buy. E na omo de omo ko bata ho.
Ba nti ba ye ti ba kare se omo de buy.
Ba Debi omo de omo ko bata.
Okay, mo person e buy.
Ma me kire wa Debi. Obinyanko. Tetokashi interchange. Hwana ye sekufo. Mobile dental van na enam Ghana say no when kufo na ye alu mama dey inaugurate no. Oh, this is some of the things that the effort of the MPP government to make sure that everything is okay, that people will get their dental this in check. Me ke am 2001 but na dey esi habo more clear, and the thing was cleared in their time. Yeah cow. High seas, everything you say, no, the thing was cleared in their time. They took advantage. Say, why then? Omode Abba, because our effort did not give us the van. The delivery of the van was in their time, so they collected it and delivered it to the people of Ghana.
What is the point in connection with?
That's the same thing. Say, you made an effort to make bui, but one produce one. You made an effort to bring generator to Akosomo, one produce one. See obinyanko sisi nyamu kasi crude no eni e ton say ton for 20 mo ton am fangum no o wan to bia ngum
enti mo so mo nto bia na
because e to
ya atika na
that propaganda no enye no kure so obuto e di power we say
okay enti say o ho ade enti na ye nto ngum
eni be say that propaganda no me pese e hu say
it is
never true.
Okay, no
it is never true.
But enti na ye nto ngum say
it is never true. Your car's machine na say. The car's machine say ya. I tell about obey we say. Ye nya botre. See no wi a ye di OM aba. What am I no? Operating a maintenance unit. Oh ba be see no. Oh say no wi a who get the electricity. What am I no? Emergency power badge say dia bay. Ye di say because say on kire finding our situation say no. What are we supposed to do and we are not doing it? We are doing everything possible to make sure that Ghana get electricity. Talk comes to an end.
Everything also so may who result to be immediate results be
Ebenezer. Bebonya media edrunie. Yes see by April.
Okay, by April it will end. No, it's by April. We are
going if you cap 2018 cap you double what we have now.
No, so long term cap and the say fisa break no 24/12 on the no na be adwuma.
Me to me can say 24 we are doing everything say is machine na never be say no takade is na there will be improvement. Nya nsuo ba akosomu there will be improvement. Nigeria for my gas no so there will be improvement.
Is it not curious to say ye ni pay ye ntimi kura mbu nkonta bi ankyere nkofo say fidie no asay it takes 2 weeks na yesiesie enti no you say in a week's time na yesie wi
ye busa nkonta nyina magana for ba just enu no ma ye tie say de bia no omo du so na me just say ye nyina Ghana no ye nyina du so no e ade bia ye nyina
ye mpe kra
ye bon pae say effort aban di hyemu no aban awode odi hyemu no
my effort in your effort. You're there 5 minutes per and then you come back.
Take it. Bocho. Sisia in Ghana baby. It's so Ghana for swing then. When you can, yeah, them be.
But we're not denying that.
I'm bo. My name here, Ghana big. I'm look one.
Until February, most of them.
No, tell you.
18th mobile. You
woo warbe yes manya kania ebe kaza pina
inshallah I have confidence in the president.
Honorable Because I'm say let there be light. I don't know my light.
There shall be light. There shall be light. Definitely there shall be light.
Ghana funyinara industries. One kasa constituency. In the office or trade fair. Ye light. Ball ya wo boy na chimu ka arrange quickly.
The very last
please Mr. Officer please man say propaganda please the trade fair obi a share in the trade fair officer jay any day na light you no nyabota
maybe only this there was light at the yesterday there was light at the
6 o'clock we do me
8 nobody buy
Pocho we do me
I'm standing by 8
was now I dey happen that mislead Siki
but just a small point
Ghana fu nyina se anope menyo wa hinti was afam do man kan che wo de catch your man penyin Muhammad de amembo mesede
no on san kan che de say kwa no penyin
mama se kan che Ghana fu nyina se omunya butema
was one jinzi
best solve what and there shall be light inshallah
David everyone can them let there be light and there was light I didn't know person Moses say Bible was
let there be light and there shall be light by the grace of God
and there was light
confirm me anye bia station higher yeti oye generator
Juma President airport Jini say we solve this problem me no ba chance dada me be chance
okay
me push say markings
now
on can aka 3 month election abaka da ba dada fo
okay
for you the best ni amasa na mole many was something in common and say Adam for your friend awonye on the can say let there be light and there shall be light and honorable Alexander Fengo Markin MP constituency what say no I was for you pege mu na mum you pege mu ma men kasa asem we say biem ya na mo share kasa ma ye kasa sa electric street lights na pole na ebuo achimota interchange no mate say 2 weeks ni whoever okoye no nti obi amfra won kan kire wo 2 nti obi antwamu enhui say ade na chia na danger say betimi ebu akoto obi ka so asɛ no ana mo pese eba na fi ye frame interview na mo webro from stress are you through me just even the ben I don't know mo pe ho abo ekobo 9 me free baby am ekomra na mu nkoyi ya the camera be ko edi be mo na edi mo na be hu se edi ayemo na bo yapon eti abusa for ye da mu nyina ase na I also so problem ho omunko penti ho okay I tantan do abusa for ye wie
propaganda nkotin na be wa
and this propaganda